If on your flats you notice some dark marks or patches, this is likely to be dust somewhere in your optical train. Now, this isn't actually as much of a problem as it might sound, and the actual appearance of the dust itself can give you a good clue as to where it might be. The general rule is that the smaller and sharper it is, the closer it is to your sensor, while the bigger and fuzzier it is, the further away it's likely to be. Now, the most common place you'll find dust is actually on the front optical window of the camera. You might even be able to see it visually on the optical window itself. These actually can be got rid of using flats really successfully, and if you find that your flats are working like this and you're happy working like that, then there's actually not really any reason to clean the camera. But if your flats aren't working successfully, or you're just not happy working like that, then you can clean the optical window quite easily. The first thing we recommend is using a quality compressed air can, something like this. The main thing to watch out for, the big thing to watch out for, is that these actually have propellant in. So as tempting as it is, don't shake it, don't do it at funny angles, because you'll find the propellant comes out, and that is starting to get a bit harder to clean. But yeah, so a steady can, all you have to do, puff in, and that will take most dust off. If for any reason that doesn't, you can try using a lens pen, is the next best thing. This you would just rub very gently around the optical window, go in a circle to the centre and then back out, and that should remove all other marks really. If the marks in your flats are actually really sharp and really dark, then it might be dust on the sensor itself. If you think that's the case, just send us an email on support@atik-cameras.com, preferably along with a flat image, and we can advise you from there. However, if they're really big and quite undefined, then it's likely to be somewhere else in your optical train. The easiest way to check this is by rotating the camera. If you rotate the camera and the marks stay in the same place, then it is somewhere in the camera. However, if you do it and the marks move, then it is somewhere else in your optical train. And that's about all there is to it, I think. So happy cleaning and happy imaging.